All right, internet. I got a few tips. See this pancake? This is a pancake spatula. You see how it's nice and golden brown? If you get a wok, and I make my own butter, which is really easy to do. I learned that from 2nd grade watching my teacher do it, and then I watched this video on YouTube. Don't want to get in trouble with the dude because he's sue happy, but I'm just kidding. He's not sue happy. That's terrible. But you can make butter from heavy whipping cream, and you can mix it with salt. You just put like a pinch of salt into a large container, shake it up for about 5 minutes, and it'll turn into butter, which you can use with, I put strawberry in there as my butter for this. And then you get a wok. Woks seem to be a whole lot easier to use as pans than the large flat pan, which is more likely to burn your pancake. You see this pancake here came out perfect because I did it exactly with a wok and a pancake spatula. It's my tip for the day. Have a good one. God bless you and shalom.